Hello there guys, welcome back to yet another very interesting tutorial on nodejs. And so in this tutorial we've been discussing on opencv and how to work with opencv. But if you've managed to actually reach where we have reached, and I want to actually congratulate you, and at this point you are a pro, you can actually do something complex like probably create a social media site or probably create a blog. And yeah, so let's see how we can actually work with opencv. And I'll go to my browser and let us see what opencv is. So opencv is short for open source computer vision library. Is a library of programming functions mainly aimed at real-time computer vision, originally developed by Intel. And let us see at the applications of opencv. It is used in 2D and 3D feature toolkits. It is used in ego motion, also used in facial recognition system, in gesture recognition systems, and human computer interaction, and mobile robotics, among other applications. So let's see how you can actually get a copy of opencv. So go and type in opencv in your browser.js and click on this link, opencv.js tutorials, and it will take you to this other page. In here you might actually want to click on this introduction to opencv, and it will take you to this other page where you can actually want to get a copy of opencv.js. And you might actually want to follow one of these processes so that you can get a copy of opencv. Once you've gotten your opencv copy, then go ahead and probably open your project, and in the static files you might actually want to create a new folder and call it probably opencv, and just say finish. And I've already gotten a copy of my opencv.js file, which is somewhere around here, and I'm just going to copy these two files, the index.html and the opencv.js. So I'm just going to copy them, and I'll go into my browser and I'll paste them inside there, inside the opencv folder that I created. So I'm just going to say paste, and it will take a while before it transfers that file. So I'll come back when it has finished validating our project. So it has managed to actually transfer those files into our opencv folder. So let's go to our home.ejs template and see how we can actually work with that. And inside here I'm going to create a div, and I'll go inside the index.html, and it comes with a very nice example which you might actually want to reuse and see how we can actually get started with opencv. So I'm going to copy from here to down there, so just copy that, and I'll go back to my home.ejs. Probably let me just do away with this div and paste paste it in there, and try to format it by pressing Ctrl+Shift+F and save that. And let me just maximize this window and show you what I have now. So this is what I have, and once we have that, let's go back to that index.html, and in here we have some JavaScript which I'm going to transfer into a home.ejs file. So I'm going to copy that. So let's go back to home, and probably somewhere down here, probably somewhere there, I'll just paste that all of there, and this is what I have. And the last bit is we need to get this script from here up to there, copy it, and probably paste it in your, I think, footer. So I'll go back to views, include, and then the footer.ejs, and you need to paste it in there. So I've already pasted mine here. So once you have pasted it there, you can actually go ahead and test whether it is working. Make sure to save everything, and you might actually want to run and see whether it is opencv is working fine. So I'll just go here and run this project. And it is actually listening to that port. So let's head over to our browser and navigate to that index.ejs file, home.ejs file. So I'll just go to localhost, and the port was 8081 slash, probably let's go to login. So here we can actually want to just type in our email, and the password, and just submit. And voila, we are able to use opencv. Well, once you see opencv.js is ready, then you know that everything has gone fine. So this one is actually an example that works with just images. So let's go ahead and upload an image, probably from somewhere around, I don't know where I have images. Let me just see. So let me just grab this, and once you see that, if you see these two images, you know that your opencv is working fine. So catch me in the next tutorial. Probably will be working on something different on opencv. And yeah, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.